Hello everyone, I welcome you back into this channel. In this video, I will going to be showing you how to verify the integrity of a file using hashes and checksum. So this help confirm that the files you are downloaded is authentic and has not been tampered with. So we're going to be seeing how we can verify the application or any software we are installing on our system if the software is the original software or not. So I open my browser. I'm going to be using this VirtualBox as an example. I'm going to virtualbox.org. I'm going to access the website of this guy. So once I'm in virtualbox.org, you're going to see different platforms that we can download this guy. I already have the VirtualBox downloaded. I have this VirtualBox downloaded. So as a matter of fact, if I come to my system, you're going to see the VirtualBox I downloaded. I downloaded the one for Windows. So if you come over here, you go ahead and check the checksum of this particular file. So you're going to see the checksum for Windows. So I'm going to copy the one that has Windows checksum. I'm going to copy that guy. I open my notepad and I'm going to paste it here. Okay. So this checksum here is for Windows. We want to verify our own hash. We want to verify with this. Maybe it's the same thing. So we're going to open the PowerShell. So actually, you can do this thing here on PowerShell. You can actually do it on your normal Windows. So anyone that you want on your normal CMD, I mean, you can do it on CMD or you do it on PowerShell. So I'm going to open the PowerShell, click on yes. So once I open the PowerShell, we're going to be using this command, get file hash. So we're going to be using this command, get file hash space. We need to navigate to wherever the file is on the system. I have it on my drive C, so I need to navigate to wherever it is. I have it on my drive C and I have it on the folder name users. So I need to walk through it, and the user's account is the user's account. I need to specify it, and the second thing, I need to specify that particular folder. I have it on my downloads folder, downloads, and I need to specify the name of that software, which is a VirtualBox. I need to copy the name. So I'm going to copy the name of this software. I come over here, I'm going to paste the name .exe, which is executable file. So I need to close it. So after that, we're going to hit the enter key. So once I hit the enter key, you're going to see we are able to see the file hash. So let's compare this hash with the one that we see on our own. First one is a 53.6. As you can see here, the first one here as well is a 53.6. If you check the last one, F0BC, the last one is F0BC. So this thing is giving us the assurance that the VirtualBox that we downloaded is original software. So what if you want to verify on Linux? Open your Kali. You can actually verify this on Linux operating system. So once you open your Kali, you actually goes to the page. You download that particular files. So once you go to the page, I already download the one for Linux. Once I download the one for Linux, it is already downloaded on my Kali. You're going to see it here. I download the one for Linux, Ubuntu Noble, AMD 64. So if I come to the checksum, you're going to see the one for AMD 64, which is Ubuntu Noble. So let's go ahead and verify if this file is original or not. So we're going to come here. So just going to say SHA-256 sum. SHA-256 sum. And before you do that, we need to list what is inside our download. You're going to see the VirtualBox that we just download right away. So I copy. Once you copy the VirtualBox name, just come here and you're going to type SHA-256 sum, paste. you're going to paste that particular virtual box here and you hit the enter key. Once you hit the enter key, this guy is going to give you the sum, going to give you the file, the hash. You're going to see the hash. The first one here is a BF9. So if I come here, you're going to see BF9. Last one here is a BD7DD. So if I come over here back, you're going to see BD7DD. So this thing is telling you that the virtual board that we install, we download, is the original package. So all these things here are everything that you need to do before you install anything on your system, so that if there's any issue on it, you will be able to know if there may be bad guy have already inject malicious code on that particular software. So anytime this thing is different from the one that the original software published, you know that there's a problem with that particular application. So that's it. Anytime you are downloading anything, always check file hashes before installing the software. Is a simple but powerful way to protect yourself from corrupted or malicious download. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that anytime we drop a video like this, you will get notified. Thank you and bye for now.